Hello students, welcome to Sourav classes. Today we will be solving the NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam questions from the January 2018 paper. We will be solving questions which came in the section 4 of the paper. In the question number 3 from the section 4, it has been given that if the gamma function is given and we need to find out the value of gamma function 5 by 2, and we have been given that gamma function of 1 by 2 is equal to root over pi. So let's begin. So what is the gamma function? So gamma function is basically if a is greater than 0, then gamma function of a is basically a minus 1 gamma function of a minus 1. So we'll put a equal to 5 by 2. So a equal to 5 by 2 implies that gamma function of 5 by 2 will be equal to 5 by 2 minus 1. This will be 3 by 2 gamma function of 3 by 2. But we don't know the value of gamma function of 3 by 2. We know the value of gamma 1 by 2. Let us find out the value of gamma 3 by 2. So now gamma 3 by 2 is basically equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 gamma function of 3 by 2 minus of 1. So this will be equal to half gamma function of 1 by 2. Now gamma function of 1 by 2 is basically equal to root over pi. So gamma function of 3 by 2 is basically root pi upon 2. So therefore gamma function of 5 by 2 is basically 3 by 2 into gamma function of 3 by 2 is root pi by 2, and this comes down to 3 root pi by 4, which is the correct answer. Today we have solved a question which came in the section 4 of the NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam of January 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.